What's going on, guys? It's your boy Aribel Castillo, and I'm back again with another tutorial video. Now today I want to go over Vwap under 7 minutes. That's my goal. This is something that I kind of want to do for the channel. If you guys do enjoy this video, actually even if you don't enjoy it, please hit the like button. Your boy needs some love, all right?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I want to continue making these videos. I don't want to make them too long, and I don't want to make them too short where you don't even understand. So whip your notebooks out. Don't think funny, all right?
Okay.
Whip your notebooks out. Write down exactly what it is that I'm going to be teaching you today. I'm going to go over Vwap, and most importantly, I'm going to go over how I use the Vwap to make money every single day. I use my Vwap mainly for scalping. And sometimes I would use it as an indicator for reversals. Okay, so as a reversal indicator. If you're new, please subscribe. I will have a lot more videos coming. I do real estate. For those of you that are new, if you haven't subscribed yet, I do real estate. I do wholesaling. I do trading. I do e-commerce. I do a lot of things. I read a lot of books, and I want to start giving you guys all of my knowledge. I don't want to talk anymore. Let's get into the video. All right, guys. So check this out. First thing I do want to say is you do not, okay, write this down, you do not use the Vwap on its own, okay? You do not use the Vwap on its own. You always pair up the Vwap with something else. What I like doing is I like pairing it up with other indicators and, you know, price action, things that you're going to be using on your chart. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Thinkorswim, I have a tutorial video which you guys can watch so you learn how to use Thinkorswim. And if you do have another one, you might know where indicators are already, and all you have to do to add the Vwap to your chart is go up here to indicators or studies, which are called in Thinkorswim. We're going to go ahead and type VWAP, which is the Vwap, and then what we're going to do is we're going to hit apply and hit OK. Now, as you guys can see, only one line popped up. The Vwap, okay, the Vwap, when you guys put it on your chart, is going to look something like this. It's going to be a top line, middle Vwap, and a bottom Vwap, okay? So it's going to be the top Vwap, middle Vwap, bottom Vwap. So what the Vwap does is it takes up volume from the last previous days, and it gives you three main support resistance areas, okay? So let me show you guys. Let me take off my lines, okay? My support and resistance levels. The top Vwap, it's always going to act as a resistance for the stock. The bottom Vwap is always going to act as a support for the stock. Middle Vwap acts as a support or a resistance for the stock. As you guys can see, they're very clean. The reason why I'm showing you DocuSign is because I traded this on Friday. The way I had it was something like this. And I took this trade. I made around $1,400 with this. In around 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so check this out. What I want to do is I want to show you exactly how it is that I use it. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to edit. All you have to do is double click on your Vwap or right click and edit study. You're gonna go upper band, take it off, lower band, take it off. Once you do that, all you're gonna do is you're gonna be left with a middle Vwap. Now, remember, I don't like using any indicator by itself. So what I like doing is I like pairing up my Vwap with my support and resistance and my TTM squeeze. So key levels, price action, and my middle Vwap. That's what I do. That's what I use to trade every day. Well, mostly scalping, for scalping. So check this out. Obviously in the morning, you guys see this. It broke a key level here, 249. It broke through, continued to go higher. It hit around 256 and it flew down, okay? When it flew down, well, one of my main rules is I don't like chasing stocks, okay? I don't like chasing stocks. My first entry could have been the break of 249, but I missed it. So I waited for this to pull back, okay? This is where the trading begins, okay? So what I like doing is I like waiting for the stock to pull back, retest on my Vwap, and then bounce up or reject down, okay? So rule of thumb is that the stock always pulls back to the middle Vwap. Rule of thumb is that the stock always pulls back to the middle Vwap. Almost all the time it pulls back to the middle Vwap. It'll either pull back on the upper side or the downside. on the upside or the downside. Okay, so as you can see here, the stock was really extended from the Vwap, came all the way down. A lot of buyers came in here, bought up the stock. As soon as I saw this retest on the Vwap, I went ahead and bought a call option, and I sold it around 256. Okay, so very easy trade, very quick, not too hard, very simple. The only thing is that you require patience. So that's all you need. You need patience. Okay, now, like I told you guys, the middle Vwap will act as a support or resistance for the stock. You guys see when the stock breaks under the Vwap, eventually it pulls back to the Vwap. Once it pulls back, it'll retest on the Vwap and it becomes a resistance for the stock. This is where we can play puts now. Now, you can't really complicate the stock too much. Summary is, Vwap is amazing. You gotta know how to use it. You gotta be patient with it. And if you apply it to the right stocks at the right time with the right things, you can have a very powerful strategy to make money every day. Now that's it. That's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. If you have any more video suggestions, comment down below and drop a like for your boy. Please. I don't like begging for likes, but all right, what can I do? All right, now hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see y'all later. All right.